Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Kicked off the day, took care of a few things. Now I'm going to go try to do the maiden voyage with my drone. In this video, I'm going to do a pre-flight setup for my Holy Stone drone, and then I'm going to do an initial flight. Let's get started with the software installation. Before you fly your drone, there's two softwares you want to install. The first one is Before You Fly. That's the US version FAA software for making sure you're going to fly in a safe zone. B, the number 4, you fly. So I'm going to go ahead and install that, and when that installs, it'll tell me if I am in the safe area to fly this drone. I'm going to set it up, open it up, and make sure I'm in the safe area. It has already downloaded. I have already registered my drone with the FAA due to the fact that it is over so many kilograms, the weight. So let me read this and go from there. I launched the software. It's asking me for location GPS access. I did it. It's finding out where I'm located at. Hopefully my phone is in a good place. It says I'm good to go. So I am in a safe place to fly my drone. I can view details, and now I'm going to download the app for my craft. My craft is a Holy Stone drone app. I got the HS. It's recommending this one. I think they talked about that one on their website and instructions. So I'm going to install that and open it. It has completed its download and installation. Now I'm opening it. I want it to allow GPS location. I want it to allow recordings or whatever. I'm going to allow all of these things. So I'm going to hit go. And it may be searching for the craft, which I don't have powered on yet. Overtime. I'm going to hit next. Click. Okay. Now let me go ahead and set up the craft. First thing you want to do is register your craft. If it's over the weight limit, which I have done, I have taken the registration number and put it there. I also went to a site on Etsy and had them print me a vinyl lettering. I'm going to put that on shortly. I will have a link in the comment section if you want to do that. Make it look more high class than this. Next, I'm going to insert the memory card. That's the one I got. That's the size that fits mine, and it will slide in there. So let me open up that package, slide that inside the camera. On the bottom of the camera, there's actually a little image of how the card goes in. So I'm going to take the card and slide it in there. The card actually goes in with the data strips up toward the sky. Slide it in there, lock it in. Push the card all the way in, you'll hear a mild click, and it'll come back out about that far. That allows you to eject it. So the card is in. Next, I'm going to slide the battery in. It should be very simple. Now, I charged this battery, gosh, 4 months ago. Hopefully it's still charged up. Slide it in there. Push it all the way in until it clicks. It is clicked in place. Hopefully it still has juice. The app on my phone will show me the battery charge on it. Next, I need to install the batteries in the remote control if I hadn't done that already. Flip it over, slide it open, and me being the genius that I am, I forgot my batteries in my other car. So let me grab some batteries real quick and install them in this control unit. I have installed the 4 AA batteries. Thank God for Circle K. Next, I'm going to put the phone in the holder like that. It'll take 2 hands to do it. And following along with the instructions here, I'm going to take the aircraft and I'm going to power it on. That will not activate the blades. And I'm going to face it the direction I'm going to call forward. Hold the button down. 3 seconds. It should be powered on. It made some noise and it flashed a few lights. Next, I'm going to turn the controller on. Hold down the lock button. Turn that on. And it's telling me my battery power. I got full battery power in my controller. Don't look like I have any battery power in my drone. So my drone has discharged over the couple of months it's been sitting. Let me charge it up in my car for a few minutes. I got my charger with me. I'm going to go ahead and try to sync it up. Maybe that could be the problem. So that's on. The icon in the transmitter screen when the drone has been paired successfully. I need to open up the app on my phone and pair the drone. Turn on my Wi-Fi. Look for the Wi-Fi there. Add a new network. Connect to the drone. Connected with no internet. So it looks like I'm connected. Still don't see that it says it's connected here on my display. Next, I'm supposed to calibrate the controller by pulling both of the levers down to the left lower edge. So I'm going to do that. Supposed to get some light indications on the drone. The sun is so bright out here, I really can't see that. So let's see what happens. Next, I'm supposed to calibrate the drone by picking it up and rotating it 3 full revolutions. And then the green lights are supposed to flash on it. I don't see any lights flashing. I'm assuming the battery's dead. Let me put it on the charger. I do have a flashing light indicating that my battery is charging, so I'm going to assume my battery was dead. I'm going to charge it up and come back. I am back with a charged up battery for the drone. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that thing back in there. Fire up the drone. Fire up the app on the remote and synchronize it. First thing I'm doing is opening up the app on my phone. Then I'm going to take the drone over here. Unfortunately, we now have 16-mile-an-hour winds with 24-mile-an-hour gusts. So this is not going to be what it was. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. That turned on. Now I'm going to hold down my power button here and turn this on. It locked in. I got good battery on the remote and a good battery on the drone. Next thing it says to do, initialize detection. I think it has already done that. Now I got to calibrate the gyros. Pull both of these this way. That should calibrate the gyros. I can't see these lights under this drone, but I am flashing yellow. Hopefully that worked. Aircraft not connected. So let me make sure Wi-Fi needs to be on. I don't know why. Obtaining IP address connected. Alright, so now I'm connected. that should say is connected. Alright, there it goes. And it's showing the camera. Nice. Now let's try to calibrate the gyros. Hope that worked. Calibrate the compass. Hold the drone horizontally, rotate it 3 complete circles. When connected, the green LEDs will flash. Okay, so I'm going to take the drone, rotate it 3 complete turns. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I see green lights flashing. That's good. Now I got to do another calibration. Hold the drone vertically, rotate it 3 complete circles. When completed, the front red lights and rear yellow lights will turn solid. Hold the drone like this, turn it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I guess that worked. I got reds and greens. I turned my whole body. That was weird. Next it says I should unlock the drone, pulling them in like this. The wings fired up on the drone. Guess that's working. So now I could do 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, and start flying the drone. This should let the drone take off and land. I'm locked in on 16 satellites. The GPS is on just to the left of the 16. I should be good to go to fly this thing. So when I push this launch button, the drone should take off this button here and get about 7 feet in the air and stay up. I'm gonna hold it 3 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it's locked. Let me try to unlock it again. Figure out how to get this off the ground. As you can see, the drone is flying about 5 feet in the air. I had to unlock it with the wings going, and then I hit the launch button over here to get it to launch. So, if I move this forward, the drone should move forward. Oop, that's up. That's down. This is turn left. That's turn right. Rotate right. So this one here, push that up, should be go forward. It went forward. Now it's drifted back a little bit. Now bring it back, it should fly backwards. Oh yeah, it's working. So this should be slide right, slide left. I'm gonna go right. I'm gonna go left. All right. So I'm not going to crash this thing into anything. I've still got good battery power. It is flying. Now I push this button to take a picture. So I'm going to turn it around so that I can see myself. I'm going to tilt the gimbal down with this button on the side just a little bit so you can see me perfectly. Now I'm going to push this button 1 click and take a picture. Should have took a picture. Now I'm going to hold it down and start the recording process. Alright, so it is now recording continuously. So I'm going to set this camera down, fly it around just a little bit, get the feel for it, and then see if it'll follow me. I got my drone flying. Bring it to me a little bit. But take it back. Goes back pretty quick. stop, it stabilizes. I'm gonna bring it to me as fast as it'll come. When it gets over me, I'm gonna let it go. Whoa, that thing overshot about 15 feet. Could have hit something. Pivot it. Bring it down a little bit. Now I'm gonna hit the home button. When I hit the home button, it goes up. Then it should come back down. Uh-oh. It's going right down. Kind of close to the car. That's not quite where I started it from, but hey, it works. Well, there it is, folks. I was bringing it down. It was landing within 10 feet of where I told it to take off from, maybe even 6 feet. I was great taking it for a little flight, got a low battery warning, and it just came down to the ground. Now it looks like I got some light flickering on it, which is no big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down my phone app, and I already turned the remote off. Take the battery out. I'm gonna shut it off. Did take the battery out. They say you hold it down 3 seconds or so. Just turned it off. Alright, so it should be off. Now, I didn't take the film off the camera. Should have done that. So anyway, I'm gonna shut off my it said I just lost my network, which is fine. I'm gonna shut off my phone app, take it back to the house, hook it up to the camera, and see what we got. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.